In a large population, 54% of the people have been vaccinated. If 4 people are randomly selected, what is the probability that at least one of them has been vaccinated? Give your answer rounded to 2 decimal places. All right, so the probability of at least 1 is the complement of the probability of none. Because let's say there's 10 people in a room, at least 1 would be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10. The only thing that's not listed in there is none of them. So the way to do the probability of at least 1 is the complement. Now the complement is just 1 minus. This is our basic probability rule for the complement, 1 minus. So the probability of at least 1 is 1 minus the probability of none. Now in this case, we want 4 people, at least one of them, to be vaccinated. All right, so the probability of vaccination is 0.54. The probability of not vaccinated, again, would be the complement, which would be 1 minus 0.54, which is 0.46. So we need to get the probability of at least 1 being vaccinated is 1 minus the probability of all 4 of them not being vaccinated. So the first one not vaccinated, and the second one not vaccinated, and the third one not vaccinated, and the fourth one not vaccinated. None of those 4 being vaccinated. So this is an and probability. And probabilities, you multiply them together. So the first one not vaccinated, 0.46. The second one, 0.46. The third one, 0.46. And the fourth one, 0.46. All 4 of them in a row not being vaccinated, you multiply the probabilities of not being vaccinated together. 1 minus that, at least one of them was vaccinated, which is what we're after. The formula, therefore, the quickest way, 0.46 to the 4th. And now we just go to a calculator and work that out. We get 0.9552. We want your answer rounded to 2 decimal places. So that would be 0.96. 0.96. All right, I hope this helps.